Kickstarted by a group of skaters in 2010, Parasite DIY has built a strong reputation as a welcoming place for individuals of all skill levels, genders, and backgrounds, resulting in a spirited community that distinguishes it from other skate parks. After catching the attention of city officials who questioned the legal implications of operating such a recreational space, the skaters approached SmallCenter for technical assistance in protecting the park and design assistance in continuing its build-out. SmallCenter's work began with capacity building, helping the skaters form Transitional Spaces, the nonprofit organization that serves as steward of the space. Through this, the skaters were able to negotiate with city officials to declare the site an official skate park and secure a set of ramps donated to the city by Red Bull and Spawn Ranch. Community engagement sessions and charrettes helped inform a master plan to ensure the park's long-term success, which included designs for an entrance, native vegetation, and seating elements. Planted areas address the need for stormwater catchment and filtration from the skate park and highway overpass, reducing the burden on the city's infrastructure. SmallCenter then constructed the entryway and commissioned signage to physically reframe the park, educate on stormwater management, and provide official recognition of the space. The first official skate park in New Orleans, Parasite demonstrates how forgotten infrastructure projects of the past can become vibrant spaces for collective futures.